What a nice day!
Dump truck.
Where are you going, dump truck?
What are you doing?
Look, garbage truck is lifting the roof, but it can't lift it.
God.
Let's help.
Oh no!
Transformation!
Hey man!
Help me! Help me! Let's go! Okay, come here.
Dump truck has a plan.
Hey, you. Very nice.
Hey,
Let's go! Good job!
it brings parts from the garage.
I like it! Transformation!
Let's put it together.
What are you doing?
First, the front.
Cool! Wow, it's a nice slide! Okay, nice!
Then the back.
It's amazing! It's my time! Very nice! I got it! It's amazing!
Now the wheels.
Woohoo! I got it! It's amazing! Cool! Transformation!
Lastly, the crane arm.
Woo! Very nice! Wow! Come here! Transformation!
Crane truck.
Amazing! Nice!
Crane is ready. Let's help the garbage truck.
What's next?
Garbage truck.
Hello! Help me!
Here we go!
Come here!
Crane lifts the roof easily. Great!
Thank you very much.
Aha!
Crane helps the small truck out of the puddle.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Uh-oh!
Open.
It even helps the big truck deliver goods. Great job, Crane.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.